Next, let us look at some of the characteristics of gifted, talented or creative children. Now this list is important because we can see questions where we are given 4 options and we have to identify which of the following is a characteristic of a gifted child, or it might be the other way around where we are asked to identify which of the following is not a characteristic of a talented child. So just pause the video here and go through this entire list. And these are all very simple concepts. And you should also remember that it is not necessary that all creative, gifted or talented children will have all of these characteristics. They might have 1 or 2 of these characteristics. Right? For example, children who are academically or intellectually gifted might learn things at a faster rate than others of the same age. And they might have a higher level of awareness. And children normally have a capability of thinking in concrete concepts. But children with a higher level of intellectual capability might be capable of abstract and symbolic thinking at a very early age itself. And they might have a higher level of curiosity than other children. And some children who are academically or intellectually gifted might have a large vocabulary and might be very expressive in nature. They might have very exceptional memory. Or if you teach them a concept, they are able to identify that knowledge in different situations and even unfamiliar situations. And they might have very good problem solving capability. And sometimes children with intellectual capabilities might have a longer attention span and they might have a higher level of attention to detail. And because children with academic or intellectual capability might learn things faster than others, they might have a diverse range of interests because they quickly learn things and they get bored and then they move on to the next thing. So they will have spontaneous and a wide range or a diverse range of interests. And they might have higher physical and intellectual energy levels as compared to other children in the same age group. And they might set higher standards and goals for themselves. For example, somebody who's academically gifted might have a goal that he or she should always score the first rank in the classroom. So they might have a higher standard or goal for themselves. So these are some of the characteristics of gifted, talented or creative children.